This is the lecture for Susan Wolf's Self-Interest and Interest in Selves, and this is just to mention topics that came up uh, earlier in I think, the Parfit lecture, and I brought those up in that lecture to prepare you for when they come up in the reading, and this is the main reading where they come up very strongly. You'll notice on page 1, she starts talking about relation R and reductionism. And so she's going to explain these terms, but this is just to give you a heads up that they are coming. And so draw on what you already know, which is from the earlier lectures, to help you if you want. With reductionism especially, she has kind of a revised take on it. Like, she wants us to think about reductionism maybe in a different way than Parfit wants us to think about it. So there's kind of two versions of reductionism in this paper. One, the typical view, and one, the one that Wolf wants us to go with. And then relation R, there's just like the one thing, the one that Parfit talked about, include like that Parfit talked about in what we read, although he didn't call it relation R, and then which Parfit talks about elsewhere, and then she explains all this. So get ready to read about that.